everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the April Glossybox. It came in the mail quite a while ago, but I was on vacation in Amsterdam. I don't know if you can see it. We went to the Netherlands for a week. It was amazing, and then afterwards I got sick. So that's why I'm unboxing the Glossybox rather late this month. I'm sorry, but I hope you still enjoy this video. And we'll get right into it and I'll open it up. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It says Spring Secrets. That's this month's theme, I guess. Glossybox, the magazine, is really, really pretty this month. And I already got some mails. There's something coming with, I think, Neutrogena. Happy Skin, Happy Me. They're doing a collaboration. So I'm excited. There's going to be a special edition box and I'm trying to get it. So we'll see. And then we'll open it up together. We'll take a look. Rip this open. Oh, and it's filled with good things. And the first thing I see is a Gillette Venus razor. It's sensitive, extra smooth. Looks like this. Well, you know, it's summertime. We can always use a razor. And it has one extra blade inside, I guess. No, just a razor and a blade. Okay. We'll try it out. Razor's always a good thing. And then I see something for the hair. It's Nature Box. It's been something that's been rather new-ish at the drugstore here. It's with apricot oil, cold pressed. And it says free of silicones and parabens, and I guess it's a spray. We can try it out. It says, okay, towel dread here. That's okay though. Oh, it smells like apricot. Okay, we'll let it sink in. Smells really good though, and I guess it's an organic thing. No silicones, parabens, no artificial colors, vegan, and 98% are natural ingredients. Sounds pretty good. I'll try it. I've been looking at these things from Nature Box quite a while, but I didn't get anything, so that's exciting. And then we got Hey Honey Trick and Treat Active Propolis Cream Concealer with treatment benefit, light to medium tone, all skin types. Treat your skin, trick your imperfections. It looks like this. Let's see the tone of it. Okay, so it's rather thick formula. It's a rather thick formula. And then if we blend it out, yeah, it's really light. But that's okay. It looks kind of yellowy, I don't know. But it has propolis inside, so that's amazing. I've been reacting really well to propolis extracts, like I've been taking them. Propolis is something that comes from bees that they produce. And it's really, really healthy. It has a lot of vitamin C and, you know, it's just really good. And I've been not getting sick taking these supplements, but then I stopped taking them because they were empty and then I got a cold, or better, a flu. I have a Color Club Dry Ice Quick Dry Drops. Okay, so that's for nail polish to dry faster. It looks like this. Comes in a little dropper, I guess, because it's drops. Yeah, and it's a liquid. It's a liquid, so that's always good. I've been doing well, something like shellac but is Strip Lock, that's what it's called. It's by Alessandro, and my nails have been doing really well. Like, they look really good. It, you know, they hold up for almost 10 days. So I chipped one while it broke off, but that's okay. Then we have a lash curler. Okay, I actually got rid of mine because I didn't like it. Maybe this one's better. It's by Emite. It looks really promising. Looks really promising. I don't know, I usually never use a lash curler, but with this I am inclined to. I'm sorry. And this comes with extra, I guess, knobs, like, you know, like you put here. Okay, try it out. And we have a sample of a conditioner by what is it? L'Oreal Elvital Total Repair 5 Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner. Okay. Okay. I mean, I do have color treated hair, so I can always use something that gives them, you know, some hydration and repair. So that's awesome. And then we'll take a look into the Glossy magazine and see what's inside. So I guess everybody got the razor, because usually everything that's on the front page everybody gets. And this one is $11. And then we have the dry ice drops, and that's also $11. So we're at 22. And then, Jesus Christ, this little thingy, the original size 15 milliliters, the concealer is 40. So this has half inside, so that's 20. So that's already 42. And then the lash curler is 22. So that makes it 64 euro already. Yeah, 64, wow. And then the spray is 6 euro, so that makes it 70 bucks. They had some nice things inside though. And like a nice brush, and they had some simple products in there as well, and I would love to try them out, but I think I'm gonna go get them anyways to try out. And the Cosline Cosmetics lipstick, that would have been pretty too. Perfect. And the next edition for May is the Say Yes edition. So we'll see what's inside of there. So 70 bucks, that's pretty awesome. It doesn't look like much, does it? But I guess 70 bucks, pretty awesome. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this Glossybox with me. I'm sorry, I'm still sniffling. My flu is not quite gone yet, but I'm feeling way better, and I felt like putting on makeup today and unboxing this box with you. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and then I'll see you next time. Bye!